Good morning students. How are you? I hope you all are very well. Yes student, in the previous lectures we discussed about the rational number, chapter 4 rational number. And what is a rational number? Rational number is a number which we can represent in p by q form where q does not equals to 0. We discussed the standard form, how to compare two rational number like this. Now in this video we will discuss about the addition and subtraction of a rational number. See, addition of a rational number. How to add two or more rational number. Suppose we write down minus 3 by 5 and 7 by 5. See, in these type of example we take the denominator same. This 5, this also 5. So, how to write it? Firstly, minus 3 by 5 plus 7 by 5. Denominator is same. It means LCM is 5. 5 ones are 5. Minus 3 into 1 plus 7 into 1. Minus 3 plus 7 divided by 5, that is 4 divided by 5. So, if denominator is same, then we take the LCM as the denominator, then we solve it directly to numerator. Now we discuss if denominators are different. Suppose I want to add minus 2 by 3 and minus 6 by 7. First we take positive plus 6 by 7. Then how to add these two rational numbers? Firstly we write down minus 2 by 3 plus 6 by 7. If you see, their denominator is different. Denominator is different, it means firstly we have to take the LCM. What is the LCM? 21. Now see, 3 sevens are 21. It means this minus 2 multiplied by 7 plus 7 threes are 21 means 6 threes are 18. Minus 14 plus 18 divided by 21 is equal to 4 divided by 21. Any SCF of these two? No. 4 and 21. So, this is our answer. See another example. Suppose I write down 5 upon minus 6 and minus 3 upon 84. In this C, in first rational number, this is minus 6. So, firstly we make the denominator positive. How to make positive? 5 by minus 6, it means we multiply by minus 1 to both numerator and denominator. Then 5 into minus 1 minus 5, minus minus plus divided by 6. Now add minus 5 by 6 plus minus 3 by 84. Don't take because we can cut it. So we take anything else. Suppose I take 5. Minus 3 by 5. Now see, minus 5 by 6 plus minus minus 3 by 5. What is the LCM of it? 6 and 5. 2, 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30. It means LCM is 30. 6 5s are 30. Then minus 5 multiplied by 5. Again minus 5 6 are 30, it means 3 multiply by 6. Minus 25 minus 18 divided by 30. One thing, see now how to solve it. Both values are minus, it means our answer should be in negative. But we know that minus minus plus, then add it. 25 plus 18, that is 44. Sorry, 43 minus 43 upon 30. We can cut it. It is already in standard form. Minus 43 upon 30. Any SCF of this? No. So this is our answer, minus 43 upon 30. Take another example. This one, add these rational numbers. We want to add it. First thing, see, here is minus 1. So it means we can write down minus 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7 minus 1 upon 1 plus 5 upon 21. Same process, denominators are different. It means firstly we have to take the LCM. That is 5, 7, 1, 21. 5, 1, 3, 7. What is the LCM? 7 3s are 21, 21 5s are 105. 5, when you divide 5, 105 divided by 5, then it becomes 21. It means minus 3 multiply by 21 plus 7. When you divide by 7, then it becomes 15. 15 2s are 2 multiply by 15 minus 1 into 105 plus 5 into 5. Now check it. Minus 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 16, 63 plus 30 minus 105 plus 25 divided by 105. Minus 63 minus 105, that becomes minus 5 3s are 8, 168 plus 30 plus 25, 55 divided by 105. Now see, this one is minus 168 and this is plus 55. Plus minus minus, okay, but value greater which one? Negative value. It means your answer will come in negative. Now solve it. Plus minus 1, 8 minus 5, 3, 6 minus 5, 1, 113 divided by 105. This is our answer. This type we will solve when we have the different type of denominator. Take one more example. Minus 12 by 5 plus 31 by 10 plus 11 by minus 15 plus minus 7 upon minus 18. Add these all rational numbers. How to add it? See here. Same thing. Firstly, see, all denominators are different. Then firstly we take the LCM. Firstly see one thing. Minus 12 by 5 plus 31 by 10. Here denominator is negative. So we want to make denominator positive, it means we multiply by -1, then it becomes -11 by 15. So it becomes -11 by 15. Minus cancel out. Numerator and denominator both are negative, so we can cut it. Then it becomes +7 by 18. Now solve it. Take LCM. 5, 10, 15, 18. 2, 3, again 3, 5. LCM is 5 3s are 15, 3s are 45, 2s are 90. It means we take LCM is 90. 5, then 18, 5 18s are 90. It means -12 multiplied by 18 plus 31 multiply 10 9s are 90 minus 11 15 6s are 90 plus 7 18 5s are 90. 18 2s are 36, 18 1s are 18, 19 20 21, 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 66 plus 35 divided by 90. Now see, -216 minus 66 means answer will become negative. Minus plus added 6 6 12, 6 or 1 7 or 1 8, 282 plus 9 or 5 14, 7 or 3 10 or 1 11, 314 divided by 90. Now see, -282 plus 314, which one is greater? Positive values, it means answer will come in positive. But plus minus, it means we have to subtract from this. 4 minus 2, 2, 11 minus 8, 3, 2 minus 2, 0. So it becomes 32 upon 90. We can see, we can cut it, it means we have to change into the standard form. 16, 45. Then what will be the answer? Answer is 16 divided by 45 is our answer. This type we will solve how to add rational numbers. Now see one more type of question related to it. What should be add to -3 by 4 to get 5 by 12? What should be added to -3 by 4 to get 5 by 12? It means what is the meaning of this question? What should be add? -3 by 4 में क्या add करें कि हमें रिजल्ट क्या मिल जाए 5 by 12. What should be added? See, there is two method to solve it. You can use the method according to statement, or you can use the given formula. Formula C, it means there are three type of number: required number, given number, and result. What we need the result. Required number we don't know, so we can take x. Given number -3 by 4. Result we need 5 by 12. First method, I prefer according to the statement. What should be added to -3 by 4? It means required number plus given number is equal to result. then what should be added? Let x should be added, plus minus 3 by 4 is equal to 5 by 12. X plus minus 3 by 4 is equal to 5 by 12. See, now it becomes an equation. This is an algebraic expression, we can say. How to solve the algebraic expression? We have this one unknown variable x. This value is related to this, same type of terms they are. So it means we can solve same types of terms together. So how to solve? When you shuffle here, when you shift here, then our plus sign will be changed into the minus and minus sign will be changed into the plus. Here is minus, it means it will change into the plus. Now similarly addition, same type of addition. Now take the LCM. What is the LCM of 12 and 4? Obviously 12. Then it becomes 5 plus 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are. It becomes 5 plus 9 divided by 12, that is 14 by 12. Cut it. 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12. Then your answer is 7 by 6. It means what should be added? That is required number 7 by 6 should be added. If not seen here, see here. 5 by 12 plus 3 by 4, take LCM 12. Then it becomes 5 plus 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. That is 14 by 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12. 7 by 6 is the answer. It means what should be added? 7 by 6 should be added to minus 3 by 4 to get 5 by 12. We can check it also. Verify that we have required number 7 by 6 plus minus 3 by 4. 7 by 6 plus minus 3 by 4, LCM is 12. 6 2s are 12, then 7 2s are 14. 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Then your answer is 5 by 12. It means our answer is correct. This is our first method which we do according to the statement. What should be added? Let x be added to this. So it means x be added to this. Then you got the result 5 by 12. Then solve this thing. Second method, you can say we directly take that required number is equal to result. In this side we have to add. It means here we have to do subtraction. Result minus given number. Result is 5 by 12 minus 3 by 4. 5 by 12 minus plus 3 by 4. LCM is 12. 5 plus 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 5, 14 by 12. Answer is 7 by 6. Same type you can check or verify your answer also. Answer you will get the same. It depends on you. You want to do according to the statement or you want to use this result directly or formula directly. Any other example take? What should be added to 5 by 9 to get minus 7 by 8? What should be added to 5 by 9 to get minus 7 by 8? Same process. Now, what is the given number? Given number is 5 by 9. Result minus 7 by 8. I already said if you want to use direct formula, then required number is result minus given number. Result minus 7 by 8 minus 5 by 9. Minus 7 by 8 minus 5 by 9. Take LCM. LCM both are different. 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72 minus 7 into 9. 9 8s are 72. This 7 9s are 63 minus 40 divided by 72. 6 4 10 103 divided by 72. If you have any SCF of this, then solve it, otherwise this one is answer, or you can change it into the mixed form also. Okay, this is our answer. This type we will solve the following questions. Okay student, in the next lecture we will discuss about the subtraction of a rational number. Do these examples or question in your fair notebook. You have all students, hope you have book, and this is related to the exercise 4.2 exercise. So do these type of question related to addition or what should be added to, like these type of question from 4.2 exercise. Thank you students.